How to download a ChatGPT app shortcut for Android phone. OpenAI doesn't have an official standalone ChatGPT app, but creating a shortcut means you can now quickly access ChatGPT as an app, like this on your phone home screen. Let's start. First thing you need to do. Open up a browser. Type chat.openai.com. Press enter. Here, you need to log in. But if you don't have an account already, create a ChatGPT account by clicking Sign Up button. We already have an account, so we are logged in to ChatGPT. It's a normal login process. Press Continue. We are inside ChatGPT now. To download ChatGPT app shortcut for phone, all you need to do is tap on the three dots, top left corner of the screen. Tap Add to Home Screen. Go ahead and name this as ChatGPT. Tap Add. That's it. Now you can see, on your home screen, the ChatGPT app shortcut. If you tap this app, it'll open up straight into ChatGPT. Hope this video helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.